I wanted to make a quick, honest video about Marky. Marky is a web-based software that allows you to add your product or services information, and it will automatically create social media posts, and you can schedule them, post them at the right time for you. Let me show you the benefits you can get from using it. This is the Marky website. Once you log into the Marky, they're going to ask you your brand name and also a few sentences about your brand or your services. The rest of the other information, for example, marketing, additional settings, all this complicating parts, Marky will do everything for you. If you want to change something, you can go ahead and click there's an edit button. Just click it and update whatever you want. The next page is going to be branding. Marky will automatically to pick some colors for you. If you don't want the color, you can just choose whatever colors you want. You can also choose the font style. You can add your own logo. The next page is going to be socials. This is where you can schedule what time all your posts will be posted on the social media accounts. Edit schedule, and then you can see I'm posting every single day at 7 a.m., 2 a.m., 6 a.m. And you can add another time if you want. Here's a connect socials. You can connect with the Facebook pages, Instagram. They recently added Instagram story. They have X, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and Google Business. Now you want to go to the library and there's the themes. Just click on that. And they have several different themes you can choose. They constantly adding more theme. You can click view all. They have so many different styles. Once they add a new theme, actually you have to come back here, this page, click it and save it. So you can use that theme. Now let's go to the posts. As you can see, I have scheduled 90 different ones. And I do have a published post 924. This one has been published on February 23rd, 5:03 a.m. on Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So I've been posting about 3 different posts every single day. So all you need to do is going back to generate it and click on generate post. It took about, I would say 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Sometimes it's quicker than this. It's generate about 10 different posts. If you like it, then you can just click on the schedule, or there's a little button right next to schedule. There's a publish now, schedule next, or custom time. If you want to do a little bit of editing, you can go ahead and click this edit post. And this is where you can AI refine it. Some other options. There's the emoji button, edit design. I'm going to click on edit design. Now the design page will pop up and you can add a text or so the images, elements, they have a background or so the layers you can use, and there are different sizes. So you can choose them and you can post them. And there's a button change to video. Once you're done editing everything, you can go ahead and click this to save and close. I don't really edit. All I do is just click on the schedule and make sure I post everything on time. And if it's not enough, then I just click on the generate posts again and then get more posts and then schedule them. Once a month, you can come back to the Marky website, generate all different posts and click on the schedule to do the exact same thing. So you don't have to worry about anything to posting on your social media accounts. It will do everything for you. As you can see now, I have scheduled 110 already. When we go to calendar, this is April 2025. As you can see, today is March 24th. I have scheduled until 23rd of April. This is one of my social media accounts. As you can see, it's not going to give you a tons of views or the followers, but it will help. I want to play one of them. When the Marky post on TikTok, they're gonna put a random music and image would be sliding. So it'll be the video formats. It's very easy to use. And of course, you can click on the custom post to post your own. If you randomly deleted any post, you can go to the 3 dots and there's a view trash. Is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. If you are serious about the social media marketing, yes, it's 100% must-have software. I've been using it a month and I love it. And they constantly adding new features. I really like it. So if you are interested to get the Marky, they are now offering 50% discount. Just go ahead and check it. Thanks for watching. I will keep posting new honest review about the software and the products.